Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about SoFi loans. So if you've ever been looking for a personal loan, student loan, refinancing, or even a mortgage, you can have some across SoFi. But what exactly is it? Is it the right choice for you? Let's break it down. So SoFi, short for Social Finance, is an online lender offering a wide range of financial services. The main types of loans they provide include personal loans for things like home improvements, medical bills, or consolidating debt. Student loan refinancing to help lower your interest rates or consolidate multiple student loans into one. And mortgages if you're buying a home or looking to refinance your current mortgage. So what makes SoFi stand out? So here are the few key benefits. Firstly, it's no fees. SoFi doesn't charge origination fees, late fees, or prepayment penalties. Competitive interest rates. They offer both fixed and variable interest rate loans, and the rates tend to be competitive. Member benefits. SoFi offers perks like career coaching, financial planning, and even events for its members. Flexible loan amounts. Personal loans range from $5,000 to $100,000, giving you flexibility based on your needs. To qualify for a SoFi loan, you typically need a good credit score, stable income, and a reasonable debt-to-income ratio. SoFi also considers your financial history and employment status during the application process. So, is SoFi Loan right for you? If you're looking for a loan with no hidden fees, competitive rates, and added benefits, SoFi could be a great choice. However, always compare your options and check your credit before applying. And that was a quick breakdown of SoFi loans. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.